Hey everyone, Edward here at Windows Report, and in this video I will show you how to fix the unidentified network message on Windows 11. So the first solution that you should always take in consideration is to update network card drivers. To do this, right-click the Windows button, then select Device Manager from the list of options. In here, in the Device Manager window, make sure to expand the network adapters by double-clicking on it, and afterwards right-click the problematic device and select the Update Driver option. Now just click on Search automatically for drivers and Windows will try to find the best possible drivers for your PC. Next, just restart your computer and check if the issue is solved. Another useful solution is to turn off the fast startup. To do this, press the Windows button, then simply type Choose a power plan and then select it as a search result. Now in here on the left pane, make sure to click on Choose what the power buttons do, and afterwards, as you can see under the shutdown settings section, some options are grayed out, including the turn on fast startup. So if you want to fiddle with these options, make sure to click on Change settings that are currently unavailable, and as you can see now the options are unblocked. So just untick the box next to Turn off fast startup, then click on the Save Changes button to save your changes, and then restart your PC and check if the problem still persists. You can also change your DNS servers. To do this, press the Windows button, then simply type View Network Connections, and then select the Control Panel option from the search results. What you have to do in here is simply to locate your network connection, right-click on it and select the Properties option. Now in the Ethernet Properties window, scroll down until you find the Internet Protocol version 4. Select it and afterwards press on the Properties button. In here, what you have to do is simply tick the box next to Use the following DNS server addresses and then simply type the following values: 8888 in preferred DNS server and afterwards 8844 in the alternate DNS server. Now just click on OK to save the changes, and afterwards you can restart your PC and check if the problem still persists. Another useful solution is to use command prompt. To do this, press the Windows button, then simply type cmd and then run command prompt as an administrator. Now in the command prompt window, make sure to type or copy-paste the following command from the description below, but press enter after each command. Now after the commands are executed, just close command prompt and check if the issue still persists. You can also make sure that DHCP is enabled. So to do this, press the Windows button, then simply type View Network Connections and select it as a search result. The next step you have to do is simply locate your network connection, right-click on it and select the Diagnose option. Windows will now try to check for any connection issues and fix them automatically. You can then restart your PC to check if the problem still persists. And lastly, another useful solution is to disable and enable your network connection. To do this, press the Windows button, then simply type View Network Connections and then simply select it as a search result. And now the method is super simple. Just right-click your network connection and select the Disable option. After disabling the connection, wait for a few seconds, then right-click again on your connection and select the Enable option. The last thing you have to do is simply restart your computer and check if the issue has been solved. And that's it. Plenty of solutions to consider. As usual, for more information and details, you can check the article in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, just make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.